The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. Hello everyone, myself Nigar Sultana. I welcome you all to RN Digital Learning. In this video, you will understand the selection sorting technique. Watch this video till the end to know the simplest sorting technique. Watch our previous videos to know the traversal of an array, insertion, deletion, linear search, binary search, etc. Let's move on to our computer screen to know the selection sorting technique.
Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm where we will be taking the first element as a smaller one of an array. We'll start comparing this first element with the rest of the elements. If we get smaller than this first element, we will take that element to be the smaller one. In this example, we have taken 5 elements, that is 38, 47, 24, 42 and 17. First, we will take this 38 as our smaller one and we start comparing with the next element. Now, is 38 smaller than 47? Yes. If it is true, the minimum value, that is the smaller value, will be 38 itself. Next, we will compare with the next element, that is 24. Is 38 smaller than 24? No. 24 is the smaller one. Then the smaller is considered to be the 24 till date. Now, this 24 will be compared with the next element, 42. When we compare this, 24 itself is the smaller one, then we will leave this position and move to the next position. Is 24 smaller than 17? No, 17 is the smaller one. What we will do, when we get a smaller value of an array, we will take the smaller value and will be placed in the first position. So this 38 and 17 will be swapped. In the next pass, 17 will be kept at the first position and 38 will be kept at the 17th position. Now we will consider at the pass 1, our smaller value will be kept in the exact position. That is, in this array 17 is the smaller one. Now the smaller one element has been placed in the first position. Now we will take this 47, that is the second element, will be our smaller one. Now we start comparison of this 47 with the rest of the elements. Like 47 will be compared with 24, it's not the smaller one. So we will take this 24 as a smaller one, then this smaller one value will be compared with the rest of the elements, 42 and 38. Now when we compare this, 24 is only the smaller element. Now we need to shift this 24 in the second position. Now because this 24 is the second smaller element of an array, 47 and 24 will be swapped. 24 will be kept in the second position and 47 will be at the third position. Now in the next pass, we will take the third element, that is 47, and we start comparing with the rest of the elements. Is 47 lesser than 42? No. 42 is the smaller one, so we will take 42 as a smaller one. Then we will compare this element with the next element, 38. 38 is the smaller one. At this pass 3, we must keep this third smallest one in the third position. Now we will swap this 38 and 47. In the next pass, see, your 38 will be kept at the third position and 47 will be placed at the last position. Now we will take 42 as our smaller one. We'll start comparing with the rest element. Is 42 lesser than 47? Yes, it's true. It's already placed in the correct position. Now all the elements are being arranged in ascending order, 17, 24, 38, 42 and 47.
This is the working of selection sorting technique. Now let's understand with the help of function.
This is the function of selection sort. We have used 2 for loops. First for loop is used for passes, pass 1, pass 2, pass 3. Another for loop, that is J loop, is used for comparison of the smaller element with the next elements. Now let's start the tracing of this. We have the same elements, 38, 47, 24, 42 and 17. The index starts from 1 to 5. We have totally 5 elements. N value is 5. N value is equals to 5. In the first for loop, we have initialize the value of I with 1. Check the condition. Is 1 lesser than n, that is 5? It's true. If it is true, enter into the loop. Now I have given the min variable as I is my 1. Initially the minimum value is 1. Next, we'll move into the j loop, that is j is equals to I plus 1. I is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Check the condition. Is 2 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, it's true. If it is true, enter into the loop. I have one if condition for comparing that current element with the minimum value. Now a of j, that is a of 2, is lesser than a of min. Min value is 1. What is a of 2? A of 2 is 47. Is 47 lesser than a of 1 is 38? It is false. If this if condition is false, no need of executing this statement. Now increment j. Now j value will be 3. Check the condition. Is 3 lesser than or equal to 5? It's true. If it is true, enter into the loop. Check the if condition. Is a of j is 3 lesser than a of min. Min value is 1 still. Now a of 3 is 24, is lesser than a of 1 is 38. Yes, it's true. If it is true, enter into this loop and initialize the value of min with j. Now min value is equals to j. What is the current value of j? It's 3. Minimum value is 3 now. After executing the statement, increment the value of j. First it was 2, then 3. Now j value will be 4. Is 4 lesser than or equal to 5? It's true. Enter into the loop. If a of j is 4 is lesser than a of min. My min value has been changed to 3. A of 4 is 42, lesser than a of 3 is 24. Is 42 lesser than 24? No, it's not true. Then no need of executing the statement. Increment value of j. J is equals to 5. Is 5 lesser than or equal to 5? True. Enter into the loop. A of j, that is 5. A of 5 is lesser than a of min. Min is 3. A of 5 is 17, lesser than 24. It's true. If it is true, now execute the statement. Min value will be j. What is the j? 5. Next, increment the j. J will be 6 now. Is 6 lesser than or equal to 5? It's false. End of this j loop. Now check the condition. Min is not equal to I. What is the min value? 5. Is 5 not equal to I? I value is 1 here. Is 5 not equal to 1? It's true. If it is true, I must swap this two element. What is a of min? Min value is 5. This is my updated min value, a of 5, and a of I value is 1. What is a of 1? A of 5 is 17 and a of 1 is 38. I must swap this two elements. I have told you that the smaller element will be kept at the first position. We will swap the smaller element with the first element. That is 38 and 17 will be swapped. When we swap, your 17 will be kept at the first position and your 38 will be kept at 17th position. Now I must increment the I. Now I becomes 2. Check the condition of this. Is 2 lesser than 5? It's true. When it is true, assign the min value as 2. Already my smaller element is been placed at the first position. Now I must compare this second element with the rest of the elements. J is equals to I plus 1. I is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Is 3 lesser than or equals to 5? It's true, because I must take this value and I must start comparing with the next elements. So we have taken, so j starts from the third position. If a of j, that is a of 3, is lesser than a of min, min is 2. What is A of 3? A of 3 is 24, lesser than A of 2 is 47. It is true. 24 is lesser than 47. Then what I must do? I must update the value of min. What is the j? J is 3. Now my initially the min value was 2. Now it has been updated with 3. When I initialize this value of min, then increment j. J value will be 4. Is 4 lesser than or equal to 5? It's true. If it is true, check the if condition. A of 4 lesser than A of min. Min is 3. What is A of 4? A of 4 is 42, lesser than A of 3 is 24. Is it true? No, it is not true. Then increment the value of j. J value will be 5. Is 5 lesser than or equal to 5? It's true. Check the if condition. A of j is A of 5 lesser than A of min. Min is my 3. Now compare this. A of 5 is 38 lesser than 24. It's false. Increment the value of j. J is 6. Is 6 lesser than or equal to 5? It's false. When it is false, it is the end of j loop now. Now check the if condition. Min value is 3. Is 3 not equal to I? I value is 2. Is 3 not equal to 2? It is true. If it is true, I must swap this. What is A of min? Min is 3. A of 3 and A of I. I is 2. A of 2. A of 3 is 24 and A of 2 is 47. I must swap this 24 and 47. Now my second smaller element, that is 24, will be kept at the second position. Increment the value of 5 as soon as we finish this if condition loop. Next, I value will be 3 now. It has been incremented to 3. Check the condition. Is 3 lesser than 5? It's true. If it is true, initialize the value of min with I. I is 3. Enter into the j loop. J is equals to I plus 1. I is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Is 4 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, it is true. If A of j, that is A of 4 lesser than A of min. Min value is 3 now. A of 4 is holding 42. Lesser than A of 3 is 47. Yes, it is true. When it is true, initialize the value of min with j. What is the j value? 4. Now your min value has been changed to 4 from 3. Increment j. J will be incremented by 5. Is 5 lesser than or equal to 5? Yes, it is true. If it is true, enter into the loop. We have if statement, that is A of 5 is lesser than A of min. Min is 4. A of 5 is 38. Is 38 lesser than A of 4, that is 42. It is true. When it is true, initialize the value of min with j value. Now my min value will be equal to, what is j? J is 5. Increment j. Now j will be 6. Is 6 lesser than or equal to 5? It is false. It is the end of the j loop. Now next, check the if condition. Minimum value is 5. Is 5 not equal to I? I is 3. Yes, if it is true, do this swapping process. We have already done in the last video. Swap A of min, that is A of min value is 5. A of 5 and A of I. I is 3. A of 5 is holding 38 and A of 3 is 47. Now swap this 47 and 38 because 38 is the third smaller element. This third smaller element will be kept at the third position. 38 is placed at the third position. Now my I value will be incremented to 4. Check the condition. Is 4 lesser than 5? It's true. If it is true, the min value will be assigned with I, that is 4. Next, enter into the J loop. J is equals to I plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. Is 5 lesser than or equal to 5? It's true. Check the if condition. A of 5 lesser than A of 4. What is A of 5? 47 lesser than A of 4. A of 4 is 42. Is 47 lesser than 42? No, it's not true. Increment the value of J. When I increment J, it will be 6. Is 6 lesser than or equal to 5? It's false. When it is false, come out of the loop. Check this condition. Is minimum, that is 4 is not equals to I value is 4. It is true. So 4 is not equal to 4. It is false. When it is false, then no need of swapping. Check the array. All my elements are being arranged in ascending order.
In this video, we have learned how to sort an element with selection sorting algorithm by selecting each element and comparing with the other elements and swapping them. Stay tuned to watch our next video on next sorting technique. Do like our video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.